Today we'll be playing Risk of Rain Returns with Duck. Say hi.
You got me when I was just taking a drink.
Just a second. Technical difficulties.
What technical difficulties? Ah.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna be samurai. Or the mercenary.
I am a sniper. Da 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 da.
Hey, look at this. Backflip. I mean front flip, but same thing.
I do a black backflip. Yay! Landmines.
Who do I want for this? Well, what do I want?
I'm just gonna be a hard hitter. And not a faller.
I want more backflips. More backflips. Front flips.
More
whatever.
more backflips.
I love this guy's sort of mechanic. What are you doing? Huh. I don't have enough money for that.
Well, I do.
So you can have it.
Crowbar.
Ah! This guy's entire thing sort of is, my utility does damage and continues letting me dash the more I hit things.
E.
Where is this portal? Up to 3
Go.
times. Yeah. Well, I need that to be more.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Should I increase my attack speed? That's what I'm gonna do.
Yep.
There's
I
two
don't-
right next to each other. Oh, you
I
got
did both. Yep. It's gonna be that sir, right?
Backflip.
So let's make sure we're extra ready. Help! Help! I'm being attacked by multiple things. I cannot take care of that. More crowbar.
I found the portal.
I don't think we're ready for that though.
Yeah.
Say I activated too. You need items.
I do.
There's items over here.
I don't need it. What I need is attack speed. I want to be able to swing my sword so fast.
Ooh, over here. There's one over here.
It no longer revolves around chance if you hit 1,000 times. I am a Jedi.
I'm guessing we're very much dead in this run because I did that.
Maybe.
It's like that might be good.
So, you wanna do marking?
Landmines.
No, I didn't want that guy, I wanted these guys. Why do you think I want to attack the...
Help. Not very good at movement.
Don't kill the person you're marking. I'm not gonna kill the person you're marking. That's bad for you.
Okay, one is dead. You good up there?
I think so.
I don't think I can get back up that easily. Yeah, I need to go around. Yeah, I need to go around.
Get back here. Dash cut.
I'm on my way. Do 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 do. Ooh. What is this? Best served cold?
It's pretty much, you get to do it, yeah,
Ooh.
send those home. They do good damage,
Ew.
too.
So no more landmines. How dare you snipe us? That's my thing.
That poor mushroom. And
Hello. Phew.
get down here. Oh. What if I got a ton of electricity?
Kind of what I need.
Why would you need electricity?
Is I need to be able to hit more things than one.
Electricity won't do much for you. You probably want, because you have the piercing shot. So what you want is enough damage that you can they can pretty much be semi-auto, just go quick reloads and everything. To one-shot stuff. You want that amount of damage.
Nerd. Oh, come on!
Don't worry, you'll get it this time.
I don't have enough.
I do. I'm not gonna try it.
Help, the imp.
Oh, and for your legendary item, you want to get like the mercenary armor chestplate. That's what you want. What you'll want. Broke my back.
Huh?
I just fell.
You know what? Gold gun.
Yeah, and then you want money stuff. Only like one money item. That's all you really need.
Come on!
I stabbed myself. You get nothing. What? Found the
That's
portal.
just so for me. You don't get anything. Oh no,
Oh.
this thing. This thing.
Please help, please help.
Trying to. I could only handle one at a time.
Alright, I have a ukulele now. Don't worry.
I have a ukulele now. I have a. Don't worry. I have a ukulele.
Back here, Buster. I am a Jedi.
I'm good. Okay.
I'm gonna go and try and find if there's more power-ups around.
Well, we can leave now.
I think we should still look for the abilities before we go to the next area.
More bleed. So if something I hit doesn't die, they just bleed to death. What's over here? I'm pretty sure nothing.
We don't need that. We also don't need that.
Here, have an item. You don't need that item.
There's another item.
Like, we don't need that. Are you sure? How about 2?
We can't even use 2.
Next area.
Oh, we can't split up. You're a sniper.
I'm pretty sure we can. It won't be good, but we can.
It's a physical possibility, but it's not something we want to try.
Oh, things are attacking. Oh.
He's down.
You can have that. Saying you only have like a few items. I'm very, very bad at that in this game, stealing literally every single item.
Let's go. Ba-da-da-da-da.
Why are you singing that?
Cause I can. I'm abandoning you.
Help! Things are attacking!
I'm dealing with 2 golems up here, so
Help! I fell!
you had a little help, so I fell as well.
Help! I'm falling! Okay. Wee! Do you like my joke?
That's us.
Yeah! Help! I'm falling! You jump off a cliff. Wee!
They always ask. If your friend jumps off a cliff, would you? The answer is yes.
I mean, if they survived, I'd happily do it. We're stupid.
You call them an idiot.
Yeah. I just call out, "Did you survive?" They say, "Kind of." And I'm like, "Okay."
Well, what if they lost their ability to talk? Then you just have to jump off to make sure he survived, right?
Yeah. I love we're having this conversation. gold
didn't
gun.
survive, then you can call him an idiot in the afterlife.
You're the idiot who jumped off after me! That was quick.
Yeah, well.
What does this do? Me? I don't think anything. Oh, I picked up your soldier's syringe.
You did. And for that, you shall die!
What's the item I just took? I think I'm crashing. Nope, okay, I'm good.
You aren't crashing.
This game has a bit of a bad history with us because we crash a lot.
Hold on a minute.
I don't know. I fell. Ram.
Don't worry, we're fine. I have ukulele. I only took the drone because I needed to get the last character. I'm gonna get thrown in the garbage.
We're going.
Advancing! Whee!
I wanna join. Oh no, this place.
It's not that bad. I mean, it is if you don't have a good jump. Which none of us have a good jump. But,
So it is that bad.
don't worry, everything is fine. My legs hurt.
My legs.
Everything is fine. I'm in crucial pain.
Did he just fly away? I'm not kidding, a robot just flew away. They keep flying away, what's happening? I think I'm hallucinating.
Sanity meter. Our newest update.
Yeah.
Now you can finally go insane with your friends. Just like in real life.
I'm already insane.
No duh.
Saying we're just talking about jumping off a cliff. Lava, lava, lava.
Don't worry, he is perfectly fine. Aren't you sort of made of lava? How are you?
No clue.
Ah,
Run. Why are these things so dumb?
we'll make it eventually.
So close for this, whatever this thing is.
It's
I want to know what this thing is. This is a flamethrower, then I need it.
the flamethrower drone.
Then I need it. I got it.
I need it just to salvage it.
You're being mean to the flamethrower.
He deserves it.
What do you mean he deserves it? I think I found the teleporter.
I sort of make things jump.
Found the teleporter. Should we leave?
I gotta salvage this first.
No, we don't. I think it's better if we keep it.
I'm trying to get a character that requires salvaging. And that's more important. Oh. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Give her help. There's so many little piggies.
This is sort of your fault.
It's not. It's your fault.
Oh. I guess we take equal share, and you take full responsibility.
I don't think that's how equal share works.
We take equal share of the problem, but you take all the responsibility. Huh?
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Yeah, I did.
How dare you?
See?
Talk to an enemy.
And I've assisted in everything very much. This includes not being there when you need me.
Well, bye, world.
Ooh. Alright, I got what I needed. Oh,
How you attack fast.
I only have 7.
You only have 7? That's still pretty fast.
Except for things only really get this fast when you get to like 10 or above.
Really?
Yes. Jeez, I'm just generally around that fast.
Hey, look, a boar thing. Someone riding a boar.
Kill it.
That's what I'm killing.
I want these. Oh, never mind. I would take the.
I want more
but that's
money.
fine.
I want more money. More money equals more damage. So that means more life.
Which means the rich are powerful, and the rich are powerful, and the powerful are rich. That means
We're being stupid.
that's what they.
We still
came
haven't
to
found a
see.
legendary yet.
They haven't found a legendary yet.
I
So-
died. I died. I'm fine, but I died.
That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't matter if it makes sense.
Yeah, you probably didn't want ceremonial daggers.
Yeah, but I love ceremonial daggers.
You probably wanted the armor piece because it literally lets you take 3 hits and then reflect all the hits you took.
Well, I don't really know all the legendary weapons because that's how they're really hard to get.
How much money do you have in your wallet?
You're richer than me. Why are you richer than me? No one's richer than me.
The richer, the more powerful. The rich stay rich, and the poor stay poor. Welcome to communism.
Welcome to communism. Dang it! I want to escape. Help!
You know what? Actually, I have a good idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this, and then I'm gonna take that dummy. Literally. Oh god,
What?
I love this thing!
What?
There's a power-up that just lets me put down a dummy, and then like everything in the area gets like... What? Why are there two of them? I just like
Teleporter.
It's just like a plushie.
Oh no, imps! 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 Well, bye, imps. I don't like this map just because of the verticality.
Is that a word?
Verticality?
Verticality, yeah. Yeah, it's a word.
I love you had to doubt yourself there. Help!
I'll help in a second. I just had to kill an imp.
Help! I'm
Why are
dying.
there so many imps?
Probably because there's boss imp. Give me my item. Why is it on top of the thing?
Are there
I
no
don't
more
care. I want my item.
Oh.
There we go. Crowbar. There we go. I got my crowbar. You know what, we're gonna continue doing this game until we become way too overpowered.
Or until a scavenger kills us. Cause
Yeah.
I need to go grab more drones to salvage.
We're just gonna continue. I love that noise.
Do you see the stuffed animal?
Yeah. It's cute. I don't know why, I react to very cute things. More crowbar!
So his plan. Become the strongest individual. Mine. Go supersonic speeds.
Crowbar. Aye, good sir.
Oh wait.
Not distracted.
Why isn't the jellyfish distracted?
Why isn't the jellyfish distracted?
That is not something I thought I'd say this morning.
Well, it is morning. Is it? Yeah, it is still morning. You can have that item. Saying you only have like 3 types of items.
I have a ukulele, a lot of syringes.
A lot of syringes. And a leaf clover.
And 556 leaf clovers. I'm not doing the math on that. We aren't doing math here, kids.
And we hate
math.
math.
Anyone who tells me what 56 times 5 is right now, will get absolutely nothing. You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
More ukuleles. Oh.
I'm pretty strong.
You are. I'm pretty sure what you are is one shot the final boss. Well, this first phase.
If I can hit him.
That'll be pretty easy to hit him. You should have grabbed the duplicate mirror.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you still can, but Yeah, get that, and then you'll do double damage.
Worm!
Like it's that. Oh god! There's an oversized worm. I'm leaving.
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm pretty strong without the mirror. So I can just
And then
one-shot
you'll
that
double
boss.
with. Don't worry, Drone. You're my friend. I would never salvage you for the world. I'm going to salvage you as soon as I possibly can. This guy's dying already. I hate it. I hate him.
I am strong. At least we got our items.
I have 15 soldier syringes.
You have 15?
Yes.
Oh wow.
And 3 ukuleles. I love that my third attack just literally makes them jump.
Can one-shot almost anything now.
You know what? I should get missiles.
Found the portal.
Should we activate it?
I'm activating it. I think I might be crashing.
There's 4 of them!
There's 4 of what? Oh! There's 5!
Oh!
We died. We're dead. No!
Killed by question mark, question mark, question.
I don't know what question mark is.
We were slaughtered by
different
question
else?
mark, question mark, question mark.
Let's do something else.
Okay. That'll be it
Well,
for
that-
today, guys.
Yay.
Subscribe, please. I need food.